Hello, what is up mga moms, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to talk about the Marvel Legends X-Men 97 Executioner. Okay, this is the front, the side, the back, and the other side. Okay, yung height ni Executioner is around 6 inches tall. Ang color palette ni Executioner ay red. So, some dark gray. This is black. Merong hinto ng parang green na military green, very very dark. Tapos ito brown or ito orange brown na to. Ito leather brown. This one is silver. Paint up is very nice, walang degree of weathering. This one dito rin meron kang leather brown and silver. Okay, dito sa head armor niya, you have the round head. Tapos yung kanyang faceplate, you have the silver faceplate here na parang merong pointed na part or segment dito sa papunta sa neck niya. Very nice head armor design, and the eyes are color white. Meron ding inverted triangle dito sa kanyang forehead. And meron din siyang trench coat na military green. Tapos yung inner suit niya, it's flexible plastic. Ito flexible din to. Dark gray. Ito very dark military green. This one, meron din siyang a belt na nakalagay FOH or Friends of Humanity. This one is painted silver on the orange brown part. Meron ding dalawang silver lines dito. And then you have the strap from the belt papunta rito sa back part ng kanyang belt. Meron din siyang mga pouches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pouches. And then meron din siyang some sort of a chainmail armor around the arms. So ito painted to, I think this is silver plastic. I think so. Yes. And then this one is leather brown. Meron siyang mga extra bullets for his gun. And yung gloves niya black, and leather, yung gauntlet naman niya leather brown. And then meron siyang asymmetrical na design. Ito yung kanyang red cape or red cloth. Okay, tapos ito naman sa likod, okay, maka-split lang in half yung kanyang trench coat. And then underneath you have the pants, knee armor, and leather, yung kanyang leather na boots na para meron din plated na armor na nag-overlap. Ganda rin ang kanyang shoes, meron din protection na steel or silver. Articulation wise, teka lang, sa accessories pala meron siyang Sentinel blaster. Very nice. This is purple. Pwede nyo siyang ipasok sa kanyang kamay. Something like this. Okay, tapos yung kanya, this is color purple. And then, some very parang dark maroon and some desaturated yellow. And then, meron din siyang gun. Some sort of more of a steampunk kind of gun na pwede mo i-equip dito sa likod. Yan. And then, itong mga metal na ano niya, ganda ng design ng gun niya. Meron pa mga pipes dito. Tapos ito yung rod. Meron siyang rod and some sort of a spear. Tapos pwede niyo siyang i-equip or ilagay dun sa dalawang dots dun sa kanyang baril. Very nice. Pwede siyang ikabit lahat. Diba? And then, kung gusto niyo naman pahawak yung isang weapon, pwede rin. Diba? Ang ganda ng ganda ng functional na gun na pwede rin mag-hold ng mga accessories. Okay, in terms of articulation naman, tatanggalin natin to. Kaya siya naka-twist. Okay. Head can it move 360? Yes, pwede 360. Up, down, okay. Tilt, pwede, yes. This one can move, okay, 360 din. Up, arms up. Twist, elbow, double jointed, okay. rotation, arm rotation, yes, meron. Hindi pwede mag 360 kasi nahihinder nitong shoulder armor. The hand is on a ball joint. You can move up or down. Okay, this one, itong belt din yan, hindi na natatanggal. This one is flexible plastic, so you can kick. Yan, you can kick pa. Double jointed din yung knee, very nice. And then ball joint yung paa. Tama ba? Ball joint pa to? Yes. You can move up and down. Wala siyang toe articulation. Okay, overall, this is a very, very nice addition sa inyong X-Men 97 characters na collection. Executioner. So, I think, napanood ko na tong X-Men 97 na series and okay din naman yung appearance niya. Very cool na mga weapons. Astig ng ng Sentinel Blaster na accessory. Sana gumawa rin sila ng marami para ma-equip din natin sa iba't ibang mga characters such as Nightcrawler, Wolverine, Cyclops, Magneto. Yan, stig yun pag meron sila mga Sentinel weapons. Okay, so that's it mga Momster. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.